Alright guys, so I've seen this asked a bunch of times. A lot of guys are asking what fuel setup they should have around 500 horsepower for their Neon. Up here in Colorado, I made 538 on a 255 All-Pearl, or 508, somewhere right in that range. But I was pretty much maxing the pump. I was on 1000cc injectors in the 85. On pump gas, I was making 470 and it was fine. So I'm going to show you the little clip that I made when I designed my fuel setup. I basically ran a 450 liter per hour and put it into a Holley Hydramat that I attached to the bottom of the tank, and it works really well. Some of the guys are running surge tanks, but the cost and the dual pump and the complexity is a little over the top in my opinion. This 450 with a Holley setup works really, really well. I haven't had any problems with it. I ran it on 3 gallons of gas right after I installed it, and it worked perfect. So if you want the cheapest, easiest setup, this is kind of what you want to do. So this is how it's going to kind of look when it's in the tank, and then when I pull out the canister, it's going to do this, so I have enough outside the tank to disconnect it. Going to sit a little bit further in, probably closer to that. That way I don't have to worry about anything snagging or not having enough to not, to be able to disconnect everything. So here's the whole tank. I've kind of mounted it right about here, which is fairly center of the tank in the back. So when I launch and all the fuel sloshes back, it's all going to end up here anyway. Turning, it's going to kind of suck, but I don't rally this, so for drag racing, I think it's set up pretty well.